One of my favorite grocery stores is, I'm standing right in front of it. It's called Moonmilk. They're all over the city here. And this is kind of the place that has a lot of Vietnamese products, but also a lot of international products. So say you're making Thai food and you needed like a Thai red curry paste or a green curry paste or a yellow curry paste, Moonmilk has got it. Moonmilk is kind of like has it all for me. So it's one of my favorite grocery stores. They got really good meats. Basically, if you wanted like a Heinz ketchup, you can get it here. If you needed like a good mustard, they probably have 5 different kinds of mustards. I just love this store. They have such a good variety of kind of higher end products, but everything's pretty affordable. This is probably the nicest one because it's got like this beautiful ocean behind you. Yeah, it's got everything you need, kind of a one-stop shop. They got good honey here, good local honey. Honey, oh man, not again. And they got like really nice meat, salmon and salami. They marked down some of these because they're trying to get rid of it. 50% off there. You can get some deals here, get some deals. Look at that view. What a grocery store, right? Pickles and olives. They actually have really good bread here, and that's even marked down. So that's like 3,000 would be like 5 cents, 10 cents maybe. Those crackers look good. The seed crackers, nice crackers. They got peanut butter. So if you want peanut butter, you can get peanut butter. They got some no sugar peanut butter here too. And they got cashew butter, ice cream, watermelon, mango, dragon fruit. These, I love sweet yams. They actually have really good rocket here. And one of my favorite things to get right there, that's rocket. That's gonna be like 50 cents or something. It's so good. Oh my God, the cheesecake is discounted. So that cheesecake is about $1 marked down. I might actually have to get some cheesecake. Passion fruit cheesecake, what? Oh my gosh. So yeah, they got some good deals here. They marked it all down because they were trying to get rid of it. Like that's 5,000 dong, like 18 cents for the dill. So yeah, pretty awesome grocery store. They got, you know, broccoli, cauliflower. I like their greens here. They have like all these different kinds of spinach and bok choy and red peppers, sprouts, carrots, tomatoes. That one's marked down. So yeah, they marked down a lot of things to get rid of. Baby corn there marked down. The carrots are marked down to 15,000. This is gonna be about 30 cents or something like that. So yeah, good deals here at Moonmilk. When you come at the right time, you can get some okra. Apples are marked down. So yeah, you can get a lot of like discounted food. If you don't mind you have to just eat it right away. But yeah, pretty awesome, pretty awesome, pretty awesome. So yeah, Moonmilk, one of the best grocery stores. They're all over Da Nang here. In almost every neighborhood you can find a Moonmilk, and it's one of my favorites. They have all your liquor, your wine. They got it all. They got all the frozen goods, and all your meat, bacon, prawns, kitchen supplies. They have lots of good chicken and ground meat, and they got seafood and marlin, sea bass behind me here. They have tons of beer, lots and lots and lots of beer, but they actually don't have my favorite beer today. But yeah, this store has got everything you need. Like, this is your cheese department here behind me. Lots of great cheeses. Brie, cream cheese, milk, coffee. Look at that ocean view. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous?